Hey everybody, guess where we are and guess what we're about to pick up. So breaking in with a quick question. Is there a reason why when Denise walks across these brand new floors, it squeaks? But when I walk, no squeak.
And it's not my shoes. My shoes are filthy. Sorry, I've been out working all day.
Nothing to be sorry about. My shoes are tattered and coming apart. That's how bad they are.
But I've done it with other shoes and they still squeak.
Listen, take a listen. It's quite funny. My turn. Stand still. Anyway, all right, well, a quick update. If you can see behind us, the drywall is done. Yeah, little misunderstanding on our part. When we said smooth texture, we thought they'd come in and put the, what do they call it, orange peel on and then smooth that texture out. And so the guys got done and they're like, yeah, we're done. I'm like, okay, but apparently that's how the smooth coat is done. So we have drywall primer that goes on first, and that will seal up all the, like the purple board, the green board, purple board has a little bit of fuzziness to it. It'll seal that up and then we can paint whatever color we want, but it's done. So we ran down to Lowe's, we got our paint, and now we need to get all the dust off the walls. They said it'll help your paint go a lot further and
off the floor and off of everything. And then there's a big thing of drywall out on the front porch that we've got to get the...
Oh yeah, we got piles and you can't really tell, but anyway, so...
It's a mess, but at least the drywall's up, so we can focus on getting this cleaned up this week, and then we'll get the primer on the wall and then the paint on the wall, so that way we can get it protected, and then hopefully start moving in a few days. We won't have everything, but at least we'll have some space.
We have a toilet in, we will have a sink in, and we'll get a shower in as quick as possible, but we can still run out to the RV to take a shower.
And we do have all the tile for the shower. We just need to
get the paint.
Ben needs to get it like
get the plastic liner in, then the rubber pan, then the cement board, and then the mortar and the tile, and on and on and on and on. So,
but we've got the tile.
But we have it here. Yes. So now we've got everybody out of the way. Now it's on us to take the next few steps.
So we're almost there.
Yeah, almost there in some respects. But anyway, just wanted to bring you along, give you an update because we're excited and we're tired. It's late. So time to let the dogs out and then hit the bed. So anyway, all right. Well, you all have a good evening and we do appreciate you. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. And, we are also on Rumble.
Oh, yes.
I forget to bring that up, but we are also posting our videos to Rumble. So if anybody's over there, like and subscribe us there, however it works on Rumble, but
Rumble's a little different, but it's still thumbs up.
You know what? We are doing so well over there. We are already monetized on Rumble. We got 3 cents.
Well, no, actually, I think it's $5
now. My goodness. We can get a half a tank of gas.
Can we even get a half a tank of gas with $5?
Yeah, something like that. Anyway.
No, what was it? When we got here, you said you felt
when we got here to Yancey County, we were filling up for between $20 to $22 for a complete fill up. Paid $53 and some change yesterday.
Ouch.
Missed that Keystone Pipeline. Can I not say that?
I can't believe you said that.
I can't say that.
I suppose you can.
It's not politically charged.
It's not?
Oh. It's the safest way you can transport oil. I mean, I miss it. I think environmental safety, that's the best way to go. Okay, well, you can put all the oil in a big tanker, ship it across the seas, and have the next Exxon Valdez spill all over the place.
Or you can do it.
Or you can run it through a pipeline where you monitor it, and if it gets even the tiniest little drip, they can be there like that.
But we're not doing that.
Oh, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Anyway, join us on Rumble. Give us a thumbs up.
Yes.
Get your pet spayed and neutered.
Anything
Be
else?
good to me. Be good to you. Be good to yourselves. Be good to each other. Anyway, all right. Well, blessings to you all. Have a good night. We'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.